What's going on YouTube? So today I want to do a quick and easy video. Nothing difficult about it. I'm just going to clean my throttle body and the MAF sensor, I believe it's called. But yeah, I just want to clean that out. It's something real simple. Just need an 8mm for this. You can use a screwdriver or 8mm for that to loosen these up. Take this out, undo the little connector, and yeah, just go to town, spray down, and use a rag. And the spray that you're gonna need is a mass airflow sensor cleaner. Like that, you don't damage nothing because the little sensor has a bunch of little important wires hanging in there. So they'll make this one especially just to clean those out, and without damaging anything. You guys could hear that truck passing by. Without damaging anything. So brake cleaner might not work because you might damage your MAF sensor. It might work to clean the throttle body, but yeah, just go be safe. It's not that expensive to choose this. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to do that real quick. Alright. So yeah, you just take this one off. This one off with the 8mm. There's the train passing by. Pop this up. You just squeeze this little tab right here. Just pull straight out. There's another hose back here. Let's see if I can. This, you just pull that out. There's nothing holding it. Cool train. There's nothing holding it, so you just wiggle that out. And it's actually easier to wiggle it out from this side. These just come off. Just pop those off. You just pull from the back and the front. That's the only thing holding it. Undo this. It's connected here. Set it to the side. Now you just loosen these clamps. I'll loosen the back one. Let's see if we can take everything out together. That. Pull this back, squeeze it, pull straight up. There you go. And there's a little foam piece that's just barely hanging on there, but yeah. Take out the air box, set it to the side. That's where it sucks in air. There's actually glued on there, but it's coming off already. Alright, so now that we pulled everything off, just spray this down a little bit. With the same spray for the mass airflow sensor. Don't go crazy on it, you just spray like that. Get your rag. Wipe around here. A little dirty, nothing crazy below, but still a little dirty. What I do, I just open up the flap a little bit so I can scrub the top. See if we can do the bottom. That's it. Nothing crazy. It's still kind of dirty in there. So spray a little bit more. Just get whatever you missed. There, this side's done. Alright, now that this is clean, we're going to loosen this up so we could separate that little part, just this little spring looking part, so we could spray the MAF sensor with the sensor cleaner. like they could spray freely without getting any spray onto the air filter. I doubt it'll do anything, but just to avoid it. So I'll show you guys how to do that right now. That. Show you guys how to do that too. Alright, so you just get the sensor cleaner and just spray it. You can even flip it over, spray it from this side. And that's it. You don't touch that. Just use the spray with the pressure, and that's it. And by the time you put everything back together, it should be dry. You could just drive along. Back, you just line this little notch up to this notch over here on the air box. If you want, you can loosen it even more because this thing should slide off, so just loosen it. Work this in there, like that. Into the notch, make sure it's in there. Now, I'm just tying this down. Just a little bit like that. So yeah, you just reverse the process, make sure you slide everything in. I'm watching down here. Up here, you just push this in. Make sure this seats down there properly. Just gotta work it a little bit. There it goes. Sits in there. This is flush right there. Reconnect the hose. Just like that. Sensor. Click it on there. Retying this just retying that. Fucking clamp just to hold it on there. And I checked, but it didn't come up on camera. But when you pull this off, you just lift from the front, and it undoes this from the engine and this one from the back. These, they just pop in here. Set it. Like that. And then you just hammer it down, and that's it. Whole lot of adjusting. Screw back on here. Always hand start your screws. So way safer. That thing won't damage nothing. Alright, so that's done. And this, just feel this there in there, and then that's it. That's how you clean the MAF and throttle body. So, on the 2016 Charger ScatPack. Easy, easy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. I'm gonna try to upload more videos of me doing stuff with cars. Either my cars, my friends' cars, whatever. But yeah, hit like if this was cool. Subscribe. And catch you guys on the next one. Later.